We're going to use the modify command to change certain parts of the network. For instance, to change this elbow into 45° T with plug. If the drawing doesn't fit the direction of flow, click once on the new part to invert it. Let's repeat the same operation with this elbow. Change into a 45° T with a plug. Here the flow direction is wrong, so click on the new part to adapt it. The operation is the same on a single line drawing. Click on an elbow and change it to a 45° Y branch with plug. It appears in the wrong direction, so click on it to adapt it. Now right click to switch to move mode. Then you can move this plug to bring it closer.